1. The functional unit of the kidney is neuron, nephron, C. axon, D. alveoli. Answer B. nephron. 2. Which part of the brain controls balance and posture? A. cerebrum, B. cerebellum, C. medulla, D. thalamus. Answer B. cerebellum. 3. What is the normal pH of human blood? A. 6.0, B. 7.4, C. 8.0, D. 7.0. Answer B. 7.4. 4. Which organ produces insulin? Liver, B. pancreas, C. kidney, D. intestine. Answer B. pancreas. 5. Which blood group is called the universal donor? B. CO. Answer 6. The smallest bone in the human body is femur, B. stapes, C. tibia, D. humerus. Answer B. stapes. 7. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Liver, B. kidney, C. heart, D. lungs. Answer B. kidney. 8. Which vitamin is synthesized by sunlight in the skin? A. vitamin A, B. vitamin C, C. vitamin D, D. vitamin K. Answer C. vitamin D. 9. What is the normal human heartbeat rate? A. 50 per minute, B. 72 per minute, C. 120 per minute, D. 90 per minute. Answer B. 72 per minute. 10. Which organ is also known as the blood bank of the human body? Liver, B. spleen, C. kidney, D. heart. Answer B. spleen. 11. Which organ controls voluntary actions? A. cerebellum, B. cerebrum, C. medulla, D. hypothalamus. Answer B. cerebrum. 12. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? Retina, B. iris, C. lens, cornea. Answer iris. 13. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer E. 4. 14. Which blood component helps in clotting? RBC, B. WBC, C. plasma, D. platelets. Answer D. platelets. 15. Which organ secretes bile? A. pancreas, B. stomach, C. liver, D. gallbladder. Answer D. liver. 16. What is the average lifespan of RBCs? 50 days, B. 90 days, C. 120 days, D. 150 days. Answer C. 120 days. 17. Which organ controls body temperature? A. skin, B. heart, C. kidney, D. liver. Answer skin. 18. Which gland is known as the master gland? A. thyroid, B. adrenal, C. pituitary, D. pancreas. Answer C. pituitary. 19. Which part of the ear is responsible for maintaining balance? Pinna, B. cochlea, C. ear canal, D. semicircular canals. Answer D. semicircular canals. 20. Which organ detoxifies harmful substances? Kidney, B. lungs, C. liver, D. heart. Answer D. liver. 21. Which disease is caused due to irregular insulin level? A. TB, B. diabetes, C. dengue, D. cholera. Answer B. diabetes. 22. Which blood cell fights infection? RBC, B. WBC, C. platelets, D. plasma. Answer B. WBC. 23. Which organ absorbs oxygen during respiration? Liver, B. heart, C. lungs, kidney. Answer D. Lungs. 24. Where is the pituitary gland located? Throat. B. Kidney. C. Brain. D. Chest. Answer D. Brain. 25. Which part of the brain controls breathing? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Cerebrum. D. Pons. Answer B. Medulla oblongata. 26. Which organ filters nitrogenous waste? Liver. B. Kidney. C. Spleen. D. Pancreas. Answer B. Kidney. 27. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin A. Answer E. Vitamin K. 28. Which hormone regulates blood sugar? Thyroxine. B. Adrenaline. C. Insulin. D. Estrogen. Answer D. Insulin. 29. Which organ is affected by jaundice? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Lungs. Answer B. Liver. 30. Which part of the brain controls hunger and thirst? A. Hypothalamus. B. Medulla. C. Cerebrum. D. Cerebellum. Answer hypothalamus. 31. Which is the largest gland in the body? A. Pancreas. B. Liver. C. Thyroid. D. Adrenal. Answer B. Liver. 32. Which is the longest cell in the human body? A. Muscle cell. B. RBC. C. Nerve cell. D. WBC. Answer nerve cell. 33. Which blood vessels carry blood to the heart? Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Arterioles. Answer B. Veins. 34. Which enzyme is present in saliva? A. Lipase. B. Amylase. C. Pepsin. D. Trypsin. Answer B. Amylase. 35. Which organ stores bile temporarily? A. Stomach. B. Pancreas. C. Gallbladder. D. Intestine. Answer C. Gallbladder. 36. Which system transports oxygen and nutrients? Digestive. B. Nervous. C. Circulatory. D. Excretory. Answer C. Circulatory. 37 RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Heart. Answer bone marrow. 38. Which blood vessels exchange gases? Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Valves. Answer D. Capillaries. 39. Which organ regulates water balance? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Brain. Answer B. Kidney. 40. Which part of the digestive system absorbs nutrients? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Gallbladder. Answer B. Small intestine. 41. Which organ acts as a pump? Liver. B. Heart. C. Kidney. D. Lungs. Answer B. Heart. 42. Which part of the nervous system controls reflex actions? A. Brain. B. Spinal cord. C. Cerebellum. D. Hypothalamus. Answer B. Spinal cord. 43. Which hormone is known as the fight or flight hormone? Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Adrenaline. D. Estrogen. Answer adrenaline. 44. Which organ produces bile? A. Stomach. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Pancreas. Answer B. Liver. 45. Which blood cells carry oxygen? WBC. B. Platelets. RBC. D. Plasma. Answer RBC. 46. Which organ absorbs digested food? A. Large intestine. B. Small intestine. C. Stomach. D. Liver. Answer B. Small intestine. 47. Which part of the brain maintains balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Pons. Answer B. Cerebellum. 48. Which organ removes metabolic waste? Lungs. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Heart. Answer kidney. 49. Which organ contains alveoli? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Liver. Kidney. Answer B. Lungs. 50. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Liver. B. Skin. C. Brain. D. Heart.